My name is JELL. I'm one of 3 managing director of our company, JELL. We are 32 years old. We have 5 services and 2 key points. The key points are development and 3D printing. We are a supplier for household devices, for example, coffee machines and vacuum cleaner. We work for small companies as well as for big companies and brands. In 3D printing, we have 10 years experience and we start as pioneer and lead the market.
So my name is Sebastian Hochwater and I work at JELL in the product development and design. Our CAD software is Siemens NX and we use it now for many years. So the advantage of a program that has all the features in one package is that you don't need to transfer data between a program. So you don't need to export and import files from one to another program, and that also makes up for a great time saving. So in this part we used a lattice structure with a wall thickness of 1.5 millimeters and could reduce the weight by 50%. And because designing and simulating is both in one system, we could do it in 5 minutes.
My name is Benedikt Reiter and I'm working as a designer and developer for the company JELL. I use NX topology optimization for weight reduction. According to the market, the customer wants to have light parts because it's saving energy, so the NX topology optimization is getting more important. In my opinion, the integration of functional tools in CAD is the biggest strength of NX. One very special thing in NX is that there are quite underestimated features, for example shell. And you can do a lot of really cool things with the shell feature. And there are a lot of features like that. There are features which are supposed to be quite simple, but they are underestimated.
My name is Alexander Baumgartner. I'm a designer. I'm responsible for the print preparation. My task is to find the perfect position of the part and create optimized support structure. With associativity, design changes can be done easy and fast.
We are a small company, you know, and we need a big partner. Siemens help us to use NX and to get the worldwide series for 3D printing. If I see as manager, my stuff goes better and better with Siemens NX, it means we're on the right way.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.